In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set conditional formatting for greater than in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a simple way to make important numbers stand out automatically. Think of highlighting sales over a target, grades above a threshold, or any values that exceed a limit you care about. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. Click and drag to highlight the range, or, if your data has a header, select only the rows below it so your titles don't get formatted. You can adjust the selection later, but choosing the right range now keeps things clean. Next, go to the top menu and open Format, then click Conditional Formatting. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll define the rule and how it should look. In the panel, find the section that controls the condition, often labeled Format Cells If. Open the drop-down and choose Greater Than. This tells Google Sheets to look for numbers that are strictly larger than the value you provide, not equal to it. Now enter the value you want to compare against. For example, type 500 if you want anything above 500 to stand out. This works with whole numbers and decimals. If your cells contain numeric data formatted as currency or percentages, Sheets will still compare the underlying numbers. Keep in mind that greater than won't match values that are exactly the same as your number, only those that exceed it. Choose a formatting style so the matches are easy to see. You can change the fill color, text color, and even add bold or italic styling. Pick a color that contrasts well with your sheet so the highlights are obvious without being overwhelming. You'll see a live preview in your sheet as you tweak the style, which helps you decide what looks best. When you're happy with the condition and the formatting, click Done. Your rule is now active. Any cell in the selected range that is greater than the value you entered will update automatically. And if your data changes later, the formatting will update with it. That's the power of conditional formatting. It keeps your sheet visually informative without manual work. If nothing is highlighted, double-check that you selected the correct range and that your values are truly greater than the number you entered. Also confirm that the cells contain numbers, not text that looks like numbers. And that's it. You've set up a clean, dynamic highlight for values greater than your target in Google Sheets on desktop.